Presenting PerfectID, a Syrma SGS company. We are global leaders in manufacturing of RFID and IoT products. With our 11 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in India, along with our offices in America, Germany, India, and Dubai, we are well equipped to cater clients worldwide. We have more than 50 years of experience in the industry. We specialize in RFID tags, NFC tags, and RFID antennas. Also, we have more than 50 off-shelf products including tags, wristbands, labels, injectables, and other form factors. Our products are used in many industries such as logistics, healthcare, transport, tire tracking, retail, and e-commerce. Do follow us on LinkedIn for more updates.